3, 2, 1, and go. That's not English. Yeah, that was pretty good. I'm happy with that. It's just other parts in the game I just need to be able to get through. Just so I can simply beat the game. Like, beat it once, but it was slow and sloppy. And obviously I want to be fast and clean now. I hate this level. For a second level, man, for a second level, this level sucks balls. That sucks. But that's stupid. Dude, come on, that's bullshit. Alright. Not great, but good enough. Which one's the Cadillac? I fucking hate the Cadillac. Okay, let's just go. Dude, are you serious? That's bullshit. Bullshit. Let's go. That's, now I've set a new standard. That's a hard level. Now I gotta be that much better consistently on that level, which is gonna be very hard to do. Dude, get real. That should not have happened. Come on, stop being stupid. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I shouldn't have fell off before, but whatever. Okay, fuck this level too. This chopper, I don't get this chopper with a hill of beans. Might have been a waste to use the turbo there, but whatever, eat a dick. I wish I knew how to fight this chopper. Do something. That's helpful. I'm hitting him. But he just instantly shoots you. Like, no Master System one like makes way more sense for hitting this guy. Way more sense. Did I get him? I got him. Oh. Okay, so I didn't have to use 2 continues. So, fuck, I don't know, man. I'll have to figure that whole part out. There goes nothing. Let's go. Boom. Okay, and I don't know what the time is on that. That wasn't too bad. I used 1 continue, I think. I think I avoided the second continue. I gotta figure out how to face that stupid chopper better so I can get the no death. But not a bad time. Not a bad time. Wicked game. Obviously, the Master System version's fantastic as well. And it's amazing. They're identical. Just 8-bit versus 16. Like, that is the only difference. I suppose there's some other small differences. And now I want to revisit the Master System one to get the NDR. Because I never did get the NDR of that game, and I should have. And it always bothered me that I didn't get it. That's Japanese text. I might have to... Next time I run this, I'll probably get the American version of this, if there is an American version. But, yeah, I'm sure that says something really cool. If you know what that says, jump in the comments and let me know. Anyways, Special Criminal Investigation for both the Master System and this one here for the TurboGrafx-16 is awesome. You should play it. If you like these kind of games, if you haven't given these kind of games a try, you really, really should. Though Chase HQ 2 for the Sega Genesis is probably the most fun of the bunch.